Welcome back to my channel CloutSaaS. Today we are going to see how to import a CSV file in SQL Server. So for this I'm just going to show the file, which is this one, ecommerce.csv. This is the file I'm going to import in SQL Server. So for this let us open SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server. So once you get this window, just click connect. So after connecting, you can see list of folders and database over here. And here I'm just going to create a database now. If you have already database in your system and you're just importing, you can just skip the creating the database. So for this, I'm just going to new query. So now I'm creating the database, like create database, name it as CloutSaaS, and just run it. So the commands are completed successfully, and once you refresh over here, you can see the database. So we got it. Now I just want to import the CSV file into the database. So for this, just click on here and go to the task and import data. Just click next, and here the data source, just click flat file source. So after you get this, just click browse and select the file path. Since I am importing the CSV file, just change the file type as CSV and you can find the CSV file. So before that, I just want to see how many rows are there in that CSV file so that I can cross check after importing the data file. So I have about 4309, that is including the column name. So I have 4308 rows. 4308 rows. Okay. And you can see the column names over here, what are the columns, everything. And you can see the configuration of each columns, like properties and what are the data types and all, everything for each columns. So after this, just click on next. And here destination, you just select as Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server. Since I am using the personal laptop, you can just select as use Windows authentication. And you can see the database, the CSV file going to import. Just click next. So here we got the source and destination. From source, the file path is given and the file name. And here, destination, the database we created. Okay, just click next and run immediately. Let it be like this. Just click on next and just click finish. See, the 4308 rows has been transferred, which is we transferred all the rows. Just click close and go to the SQL Server. Here just refresh it once and you will see the table that we imported. So dbo.commerce here. So before that, you just use CloutSaaS and just run. So after this, just pull out the file name and type select star from e-commerce. See, we have got all the rows and columns over here. So 4308 rows has been imported from the CSV file. Thanks for watching.